welcome to my channel, Jacob at Dad. If this is the first time for you to visit, smash that like button, subscribe, support the work, come back and watch a playlist. You can turn notifications on if you want. That would be kind, that would be nice. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. As always, I thank all my subscribers and anyone who watches my videos. You can leave comments, but always be kind. I'm driving here in St. Paul, Minnesota. As you can see, it's road construction season. That's what they do in summer. They do a good job fixing the roads in Minnesota, because in winter messes up the streets. You know, the cooling and heating, they get cracks and potholes and everything. So I'm driving slowly here behind some big truck here. I think the street is closed over there. I don't know for sure. We'll see. Minnesota summer. We go through this every year. That sign says grooved pavement. Very dusty. Can see the hood of my car is very dusty too. Seems like they're adding a median over there. You can see the concrete dividing the street into two. Right now I'm driving 7 miles an hour. You can see right there. This would take them about a month before everything is fixed. So thank you so much for joining. Hopefully you're gonna help us get to 20,000 subscribers by smashing, clicking, hitting that subscribe button. It's free, and giving a like helps this video be pushed to more people, and the more people who watches, the more subscribers we get, and the closer we get to 20,000. So I appreciate your time. It's a big bump there. They say in Minnesota we have two seasons: summer, winter, and road construction, which is summer. Because you're gonna see this in most streets in Minnesota. Obviously you can fix the streets in winter. What they do when roads, highways, freeways, whatever you want to call them, streets get potholes, they just patch them in winter, because they can't do full fixing of the roads when it's winter. Recurring problem for Minnesota, but it's what it is. We got to deal with inclement weather every year. Throughout our lifetime we'll go through this. This street I'm driving on, it's called Dale. I'm going towards north, away from St. Paul, the city. There's a big business for those big companies that fix the roads, because they'll never go out of business. Streets and roads will always need fixing. There's some people running. It's a beautiful day. Right now it's 62 degrees. Super America or SA gas station there, and on the left they have Shell. Have a elementary school up there. Don't remember the name. In winter we go sledding because they have a couple hills. Sled down the hill. Alright, thank you so much for joining. I wanted to show you road construction in Minnesota. Now I'm gonna join the highway, but there's no road construction on the highway. Probably there is. Let's see. You can see the highway there isn't road construction. Looks nice and clean. Not much traffic. Take care. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.